Hello everyone, today I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to use our application ZevaAI GPT assistant for Gmail. And this assistant is great for you if you want to automate your inbox. So after installing our add-on, let's run it by clicking this icon. Let's run it. So here, as you can see, we have to authorize. Let's do it. Let's click continue. Here, as you can see, we have some kind of permissions. So here, as you can see, we have sections of our add-on. This is initial screen. So here, as you can see, we have step-by-step guide. We can click it. And as you can see, it will lead to step-by-step guide. It is very detailed and you can find here every feature. So here, as you can see, we have also troubleshooting and we have also an instruction on how to get OpenAI key for ZevaAI. Here, as you can see, we have detailed step-by-step guide. You can read it and easily get your OpenAI IP key for ZevaAI. So let's go back here. Here, as you can see, we have select knowledge base source section. So knowledge base is a base which will be used by assistant in order to generate responses for your emails. So first of this option says that it will create an inbox based knowledge base, and by clicking it you can generate a summary of your emails and responses. It will just scan all of your emails and generate a summary, and it will be the knowledge base of your assistant. Also, you can provide a custom knowledge base. So here you have to create a Google Docs file, and this file has to be created by your account. So let's enter the link of our custom knowledge base, because we will use the custom knowledge base. So here, as you can see, we have to enter Google Docs file link, and as you remember, this Google Docs file have to be created by your account. Here, as you can see, my account, and this Google Docs file is created by this account. Here, as you can see, we have also an example of custom knowledge base. You can read it and understand how the knowledge base can be created and can it look like. So here we have a setup your assistant section. Here you can enter a company name, and this company name will be mentioned in your responses, in your emails. So let's enter here Zeva Solutions. Here, as you can see, we have an assistant name, and this name will be displayed in your emails as the assistant name. So let's enter here Zeva. Here, as you can see, we have maximum emails for knowledge base, and this number is used to generate a summary or a knowledge base from your inbox. If you enter here 100 emails, our add-on will analyze 100 emails and generate a summary based on this number. But we are using a custom knowledge base, so we can leave it. So here, as you can see, we have to paste our API key from ChatGPT. So let's enter it. Here is our API key, a detailed instruction on how to create an API key. I will provide in the description, and you can also read it in our detailed step-by-step guides. So now let's choose our GPT assistant mode. Here, as you can see, we have three options. First of them is automatically reply to emails. It will automatically reply to all of your new emails. Second one is create draft responses only. This option will create only draft responses and will not send them automatically. You can easily send them by yourself. You can easily read them, understand them, check them, and you can easily send them by yourself. Third one is disable all automated actions. It will disable all automated actions, but your assistant will be created and you can easily change it every time. So here, as you can see, we have also support button. You can click it and it will lead you to our website where you can contact with us and we will help you. So now let's create our assistant. Let's click confirm settings, and this will create a custom knowledge base or your knowledge base based on your inbox and the assistant itself. So let's confirm settings. So here, as you can see, we have a little notification where as you can see, we are reading that assistant is creating and the knowledge base file is setting up. So usually this process takes just a few minutes, and as soon as it will be ready, we will notify you to your email and you will get a notification and you will be notified when your assistant is created. So now let's just wait a little bit. So here, as you can see, we received an email from our account. So let's click it. So here, as you can see, we have notifications that our knowledge base and assistant are created. So here, as you can see, we have a link to view our knowledge base. Let's click it. So here is our knowledge base. So let's go back here. So as you can see, we have here also our assistant ID. So now let's go back here. You can keep this email or you can easily delete it. I will delete it. So now let's refresh our add-on. So here, as you can see, we have our main screen. Here, as you can see, we have a time when our knowledge base was created, and we have a link to view it. Here we have assistant settings. By clicking this button, you can easily regenerate a new knowledge base based on your inbox, or if you've changed your knowledge base by this link, if you change it here, you can easily click this orange button, apply knowledge base to assistant, and this button will automatically apply your up-to-date knowledge base to your assistant. So your knowledge base of your assistant will be up to date. So here, as you can see, we have our add-on settings. This one is company name, this one is assistant name, this one is the knowledge base for update, number of emails for knowledge base update, and here we have our OpenAI API key. Here we have our GPT assistant mode, and here we have our step-by-step guide. So now let's test our add-on. So first of all, we will test the feature of single response. Let's click this email from our user. This is about choice date limit, and this is for what happens to expired options in the Google form after they have been validated by the add-on. So let's click reply. Let's run our add-on here. So to run our add-on, in order to reply to single email, our sidebar have to be open. On the right side menu have to be open always. When it's closed, you cannot generate responses. So when it's open, you can easily click here. Here, as you can see, we have quick reply assistant and generate quick response. By clicking this, you can easily create a customized response to your user query. So let's click it. So now it's generating response. It will just take a few seconds. So here, as you can see, we have customized response to your user's email. So dear Alisher Karimov, thank you for your inquiry, and this information is taken from your knowledge base. It's generated, and here, as you can see, we have a reply. So here, as you can see, we have Zeva support agent. Zeva support agent is taken from your assistant name, and Zeva solutions is your company name. So let's send it to our user. So now let's test automatically reply mode. So this mode will run automatically every hour, and now just wait a little bit and I will show you how does it works. So now when the process is finished, let's refresh our inbox. So you can see the replies. So we can keep it here. So now let's click here. So here, as you can see, we have automatically generated response from our assistant. It's fully personalized to your user. It will use their name. It will generate them proper response. And here we will have your assistant name and company name. So it will be not be there will be not misinformation. There will be always your assistant name and company name. And all of those responses will be customized, and it will keep the context of the conversation. So user will see that a real person, a real person will chat with him. So let's open this one also. So here, as you can see, we have a step-by-step guide on how to configure choice date limit. So here, as you can see, we have 11 steps, and also we have here an email, like a text that is showing that they can text us to this email and we will help them. Here, as you can see, we have assistant name and company name. So talking about create draft responses only mode, this mode will just add drafts to all of your emails and will not send them automatically. As you can see here, we've sent them automatically, and when this option is clicked, it will not send them automatically. And this option is used to disable all automated actions, but anytime you can open our add-on and change the mode. So now let's disable it. So we will click disable and let's click save settings. So here, as you can see, we have disabled all automated actions, and our assistant will not do anything. It will just be here, and you can easily open it and change the mode anytime you want. So this was a step-by-step guide. If you have any questions, you can easily contact us via email and we will help you to configure, to find out solution for any problem you will have. And I will also attach some links to comments. I hope that it will be helpful for you. So thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.